Hello crypto kings and queens, we are looking at Bitcoin, and right now we have been having huge momentum to this downside right now. You have to understand that during these couple of days we've been having huge movement to the upside, so for the market right now to come back down is just a normal thing. So what we need to consider, I have three levels right here that I'm looking for to see if the market actually comes to them. So we'll see that we're having sell opportunities. I still believe we will come back down to 53,800. A lot of things can happen in between, but if the market now decides to continue to the upside, we also have different targets for that. I will also show you in this episode where I took my trade during the live that I did have today. I know it was someone in our community that also took this trade together with me, and right now we are in profit, so we just have to wait and see how the market will do during the night, or if it's gonna take our profit till tomorrow, or maybe our stop loss. Remember, I'm no financial advisor, so you need to look everything up yourself first. Please continue watching this video. I'm gonna show you all the levels. I'm gonna show you where I actually jumped into the market. So now if you want to trade any of these cryptos and you are an experienced trader, Bybit is one of my favorite swing trader platforms. And right now you can use up to $1,645 in bonus depending on what you're depositing. PrimeXbt is one of my favorite day trader platforms, and with my link you're getting 50% added to your deposit, and all of the info is in the description below. Starting off with the daily on Bitcoin, we can see that we have been very bearish during the day. The market has just been going down, going to the lower time frames and the 1 hour time frame. We can see that we did move sideways, and we did break the support that we had around 56,400. We broke it, we came back up and retested it with a bearish doji, and then we saw the continuation. I already had the support around 53,800, and you can see how the market just spiked down to that. Either the market will continue back down and fill the wick that we're having. I do believe we will continue back down, because if we are closing like this in 2 hours 44 minutes, I do believe we will continuing down and fill the wick that we're having. I also believe that we can come back down to 52,600 if we are breaking the support that we're having around 53,000. What we can do until then, using the support and resistance on different time frames. So what you potentially can see, if the market comes up again and retest 56,400, and then you see the continuation down. So that's what I believe we have to focus on right now. But if the market decides to break it into the consolidation one more time, we can start to see the continuation to the upside again. But I do believe that you have to be very careful buying the market right now. Even if we had the touch and we're having a doji that is bullish, I still looking at the daily chart, because the daily is always stronger than all of the other time frames below, obviously. So that's something that I think we need to focus on. If it's not coming up to previous support that we're having around 56,000, we can use these previous resistance right here. We have two resistance that we can use if the market don't have the power to come up yet. So it's always good having different zones on the market, just so we can actually see the market, how the market reacts to them. I don't think we should be fooled with this wick that we're having. A lot of people would say, yeah, the market will continue back up right now, but please guys, be careful. And you can also use this support that we're having around 55,548 at the low of New York session. It can come back up and retest it one more time, and then you're seeing the continuation. So we're having three levels that I want to see where how the market reacts to them. If it's breaking the first one, I want to see how it looks on the second one. If it breaks the second one, I want to see how it looks on the third one. If we're breaking all of these three levels, I'm gonna consider the market to continuing up one more time. But until then, I strongly believe that we will come back down even more. But this is just the pullback that we have been waiting for, because we can see that we have been having such a huge momentum with this uptrend So the market might just need to have its little pullback right now. So don't be scared. The market does what it's supposed to do. It needs to breathe. It needs to come back down. It needs to consolidate. That's what the market is doing. I want to show you when I had a live during the day, I actually went into a trade during the live. It was around this area right here that I had my entry. And obviously the people that were in the live stream could have taken it also, but it's always on your own responsibility. I do have my stop loss around 3,500, and I have an open target because I want to see how the market actually is going to move, if it's going to come back to the support or if it's going to continue to the downside even more. So that's what I'm having right now. I'm still in this trade. I am in profit right now. Just might see what's happening during the night. I'll update you tomorrow if I may Wesley or if the trade actually gonna continuing down, and I'll see where I will have my target. But I'm gonna leave it open for during the night because I want to see how far the market actually will go down. This is what I see right now on Ethereum. We could definitely come back down to this support around 3,300 before we are breaking to the upside one more time. Remember, we're just having the pullback after this huge momentum that we had to the upside, so the market needs to breathe. And if we're looking at the daily, it's not that far. It actually makes sense if the market comes back down right now, because you're having huge wicks to the upside after we did respect this previous resistance that I also were talking about. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks that did touch this area before it went down. So I do believe we will be in a downtrend for just for a couple of days or one day or so before the market comes to this support right here. This is what I see right now on Ethereum and Bitcoin. We need to be careful. Don't try to buy the market right now. Let the market breathe. Let the market do its move. And then when you're having a steady support, that's when we are starting to taking our trades to the upside one more time. But please let the market come back down a little bit more before we have those confirmations that the pullback is actually over. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please comment below. Please subscribe to my channel because I go through these pairs every single day. Please give this video a thumbs up, and we see each other in tomorrow's live or the video that I'm sending out. Have a good day. Bye bye.